In a big, green jungle filled with tall trees and singing birds, there lived a clever little monkey named Milo. He wasn't the biggest or the loudest, but he had something very special, a kind heart. Milo loved helping others. If someone needed food, Milo would climb the tallest tree to get it. If someone was sad, Milo would make funny faces until they laughed. Because he was so kind, all the animals in the jungle called him the Monkey King. One sunny morning, Milo was swinging from vine to vine when he heard a voice below. "Milo, can you help me?" asked Tina the turtle, pointing to a bright red fruit hanging high in a tree. "It's too high for me." "Of course," said Milo with a smile. He climbed up in a flash and plucked the fruit, handing it gently to Tina. No tree is too tall for the Monkey King. Every day, Milo helped his friends. He shared bananas, played games with the baby animals, and even told bedtime stories to the sleepy owls. The jungle was happy, and so was Milo. But one afternoon, dark clouds filled the sky. Rain began to pour. The river roared louder and louder until it rose high above the rocks. The baby animals, bunnies, ducklings, and a little deer, were stuck on the other side. "Oh no," cried Leo the lion. "They're trapped." "What do we do?" asked Ellie the elephant, looking worried. Milo looked at the rushing water, then at the scared baby animals. He took a deep breath and said, "Don't worry. I have a plan." With Ellie's help, Milo gathered long vines and strong sticks. Together, they built a bridge across the river, tied tight and safe. Then, step by step, Milo crossed the bridge. He carefully carried the baby animals, one by one, back to the safe side of the jungle. The wind blew hard and the rain splashed, but Milo never stopped. He was brave. When all the baby animals were safe, the jungle filled with cheers. "Hooray for the Monkey King," the animals shouted. Milo smiled and looked at his friends. "I'm not a king because I'm strong," he said. "I'm a king because I care." From that day on, Milo was not only the Monkey King in name, but in every animal's heart. He taught them that being kind and helping others is what makes someone truly great. Moral of the story: you don't need to be the biggest or the strongest to be a leader. Being kind, helpful, and brave makes you a true king, or queen, of the jungle. The end. Monkey Crown.